Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So I want to start off by saying that I hope everyone's doing well during this crazy time that we're living in. All the stuff going on in the world, it's been pretty crazy lately. Everyone's kind of just sitting at home, not doing much, pretty low key, and kind of been doing the same thing, haven't been doing much with the cars. It's been like almost a month probably since I've uploaded, but I still have people subscribing, so shout out to you guys that recently subscribed. Appreciate your guys' support. The plan for today is to finally do some work on the Silvia. I finally picked up some coilovers, so I'm super excited to get this thing pretty low. But before we do that, you have to kind of redo the wiring harness that runs under the fender. These cars are kind of weird because the wiring harness runs right under the wheel well, so if you go too low, your tire will rough through your harness and it'll just cause a bunch of problems. Even though I'm not going to go too low right now, I still just want to knock that out of the way and redo the wiring harness. So yeah, let's I guess just jump right into it. Alright, well the fender's finally off. That took a lot longer than what I was expecting. There's so much little screws and bolts all over the fender just to get it off. And you also have to pop the corner and the headlight off. I probably could have kept the bumper on, but I'd figure I'd just rip it all off, make it a little easier. So here's the harness that I was talking about. It runs right from the firewall up against the wheel well. So if you slam the car, you could tell the tire's pretty much just going to be rubbing against the harness. I also have the hood release and the windshield sprayer hose here, so I'm just going to relocate all that. So the trick pretty much is to just make a cut right here, just bend this tab down, and then overlay the harness on top of this little strip right here, so it just sits on top of that and it's protected. Shout out to Randy. I watched his videos from the start and now it's paying off. He made a video on this, so really helpful. Yeah, I guess let's just start cutting, get it done, and swap this ugly suspension out. Check that out. It's so worn out. Everything's just ripped up. It's all blown, so pretty excited to freshen it up. Alright guys, so finally got the front suspension off. The next step is this. Hold on. You grab this piece of junk right here and you shoot it into the trash. I hope I don't hit this 2000. Kobe! First guy's here. Ooh, chill, bro. All right, so it's the next day. We finished up last night and I didn't really record too much, but we took it out for a drive. I had the dampening set to the stiffest setting and it was pretty hard to keep like my foot steady on the gas pedal, so it was jerking pretty bad, but I think I just need to turn the dampening down a little bit and it'll be better. So the plan for today is we're just gonna go out and cruise. Everyone's kind of been sitting at home in quarantine, so stay 6 feet away, bro. Of course, stay in the cars, maybe just get out, get a few clips, but yeah, I guess we'll just bring you guys along and go cruise. Before we head out, you guys already saw, but we got the clear blinker and the side marker. I think it looks so much better. I just love the clear on like all my cars. The only thing left is to try to save this headlight. I'm not sure if I'll be able to, but I'm planning on getting some kind of kit and trying to restore him. As for the front end, I think this is pretty much all I'm gonna do for now. I'm just gonna get an easy lip, of course. Same one that's on the Lexus. I like how it looks and I think it'll be a nice touch on here as well. Quick interior update. It's pretty torn up right now because I have some LEDs on the way for the cluster and like all these pieces in the middle, so pretty beat up, but we got the new shift boot, we got the dash cover and suede, so interior's coming along pretty nice. Second guy's here, he's just gonna hide his car over there though.
TSWs, bro, TSWs.
Third guy is here. Oh, he's gonna pull in, okay.
You know what?
Yo, social distancing, back your ass up. My neighbors are gonna call it in. Last guy's here. Perfect example of social distancing right here. Next stop, Krispy Kreme. Get some donuts. The line, it's not too bad actually. So we just realized that she's gonna have to do all the talking and she doesn't feel like doing that, so I still have a chance to bust a U-turn real quick and go in reverse. Should we do it? Yeah, I think that's a little corny. I don't think it's necessary. We're gonna stick to the normal ways. Ooh, yeah. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. So I guess the video's not over yet. We're just gonna drift out here for a little bit. Hopefully we don't get busted, but I guess we'll just finish the video after this little session. Yeah, heck, I locked up. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Like it came all the way off? Oh, what the? Dog. I thought your wheel came off. It's just the tire. He said, let me try to drift. Yeah.
We can't mount it. I can go throw it on at the shop.
Oh, he has a tire machine.
Heck of folded in. Dang.
Where is it? Oh, dude, sick tire. It looks like my bicycle tire. So the boys left to go fix the tire and they told us there's a cop coming. He's somewhere right there. My boy's moving the cones real quick, get them out the way. We were doing a music video and the tire just decided to come off. There he is. There's the cop. Hopefully things go smooth. Just hanging out.
All over everywhere. We're just doing pictures. So I'm not gonna make a big deal about that.
Alright, thanks man, take care. He didn't see that the wheel was off the car, so I think we're good. I have my tripod set up, you know, we're just taking pictures, we all good. There he goes. The boys are back. Are you guys part of the 505 crew?
Part of the wheel defeating group.
Honestly, this is considered like a blessing. Like, thanks for trying to drift, man. If you didn't try to drift, we would have all been screwed.
We would have all gotten tickets.
Thanks for keeping your tire pressure low too. All right, I guess we're out. It was pretty fun while it lasted. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.